Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to back up and restore Amazon EC2 instance in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To back up EC2 instance agentlessly, you need to add the host first. Just click Resources, Infrastructure, Cloud Platform. Click Add. Field with credentials of AWS IAM. Click License to finish configuration. Go to Cloud Backup. Click Backup. Select the EC2 instance to backup. Select the backup storage for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. You can also set up throttling policy to control system resource usage during backup. Also, there are other useful strategies like data deduplication, data compression, and you can set up retention policy and choose advanced strategies. And you can set up transmission strategy. Select the proxy instance type according to your needs. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup has been created successfully. When we need to restore the EC2 instance, go to Restore. Just select the restore point. Select the target cloud platform and recovery type. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new instance in AWS Management Console. It has been restored. Let's start it and try to connect it. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.